I can't believe I'm putting this on the internet. Yep, you can definitely see that. Hi everyone, today we are going to be doing a very fun video. This video was a suggestion by one of my friends, Maddie. So thank you so much, Maddie, for the video request because I am very excited about the results of it. It is stellar. Absolutely stellar. I did just completely do the video and then washed it off immediately and realized I didn't really have a good intro, so I figured I should do an intro. But hey, let's actually explain what we're doing today, shall we? There is a viral video going around, or viral trend, I guess I should say, going around on TikTok where people are doing makeup roulette. To explain exactly what the rules are, because I was a little confused at first, you have a specific order that you generally do your makeup in. So like primer, foundation, concealer, set, everything. So what you do is you write out the order that you normally do it in, and then you write out each step on a piece of paper and put it into a little something or another to draw it out. So for the first step, it's primer. So you draw what you would use for primer. So for example, this says eye primer. Obviously you'll see in the video how it went for me, but you would pretty much put eye primer all over your face as a regular primer. And that is kind of how it works. So if that doesn't make sense to you, you'll get the system down and the type of video that it is as you watch. It was interesting. I can't wait for literally everyone to see this. Oh, I also FaceTimed my sister Katie, so she is here throughout the video hanging out with us. But with that being said, we are going to just jump on in and do this video. Okay, so I have Katie, she's paused right now, but I have Katie on FaceTime. All right. First step is primer. I'm nervous because like everyone always gets like lipstick for their primer.
I know.
Concealer for primer.
Is that the one that's supposed to be like the shape tape?
Yeah. Next step is foundation. Now that I've pretty much done foundation, this actually doesn't look bad. It's like, I mean, other than the color obviously, but like,
yeah.
Setting powder. Bless. I had like, I stopped because I was like, wait, I can't set this yet. I haven't done my concealer, but like, I'm doing my foundation. Okay, next step is concealer, which I'm worried about. Hopefully it's foundation. Like, how bomb would that be?
That is lipstick.
Highlighter.
Not bad.
Yeah, could be a lot worse. I'm gonna use my Hard Candy So Baked Bronzer in Tiki because it makes sense to me. I don't know why it does, but it does.
What?
Okay, under eye powder. Okay, is blush. Let's just use the infamous NARS Orgasm. Oh my gosh, my eyes are bothering me.
Yeah, I bet.
Already? Bronzer. Oh, I just went to grab my bronzer.
Oh my gosh.
See, this is why I need you, so you can keep me straight.
Right.
Okay, so bronzer is gonna be eyeshadow.
Not bad.
Yeah, it doesn't say what color of eyeshadow it has to be. I feel like I just kind of look sick and that's it. What if this becomes my new favorite bronzer? I'm gonna use this color because it makes sense. Also, I'm using the Morphe 35O palette.
Okay.
Katie, what kind of TikTok videos are your favorite to watch?
Dances. Because I want to recreate them.
I should have guessed that.
I love dancing. You know that?
So far, we're doing okay. Just a little pink under the eyes, that's all. Okay, eye primer, which I've already technically primed my eyes with the concealer, or primer.
Lipstick.
Mascara.
Yes, perfect.
Just gonna prime my eyes. Ow, it's pokey. So pokey. I look like a clown. Okay, so I'm getting in with an actual brush.
That's what I was thinking you'd do.
Because it's really pokey. Okay, brows is next. Now that we're looking flawless. I look
I
insane.
hate that.
Oh. Lipstick.
What? Yes!
Okay, I'm taking the Urban Decay Matte 1993. I'm trying to like still make it look good. Like, isn't that a video in itself too?
I guess.
The way you said okay was like, you can't. Look at yourself.
Yeah. You'll probably be fine with that.
Next is blush. That actually worked. It's a little intense, but it worked. So blush is brow product. Okay.
Perfect.
Here we go.
Oh, I thought it was liquid.
Well, I used the gel, but I'm almost out. I also used the powder on top.
That makes sense.
Eyeliner as highlighter.
Great.
I have literally no way around that.
How do we watch them?
They're on Netflix.
I'm halfway done with this.
You do it, you put it in the hat and you draw it.
Yeah. Okay. I forgot.
Huh?
Are you playing VR again?
Oh, yeah.
What?
My eyeshadow is supposed to be my primer. There's no color to that.
To cuddle me still.
That was really aggressive.
Yeah.
Okay,
I
mascara.
know. Really? Why do you have a mustache? Oh.
I highlighted. I had to highlight my lip. Okay, mascara is bronzer. Like, yeah, I mean, literally my only option is just to grab my bronzer and act like I'm applying it. Because that makes sense, apparently. Alright, got my mascara brush.
Looks good.
It's so pretty. Nothing's happening, just in case you're wondering. Eyeliner. I was like, there's no more papers left, but there is. Foundation.
Great.
Love that. Love it. Show this to Drew because when I told him, he was like, that could go very bad. I was like, yep.
That's true.
My wings don't match.
Great.
Well, I can't look like a fool.
Right. Exactly.
Oh my gosh. I laughed and now the foundation is all over my lids. Last but not least is lipstick. I don't remember what I haven't drawn yet. Oh, yep, we did blush. What haven't I drawn yet?
Lipstick.
Alright, primer.
Oh, yeah.
It kind of actually works because I literally do use a color for an eye primer. So, you know, most people's it would be clear eye primer, but like mine isn't. Oh gosh, this is gonna look so good. Tell me I'm pretty. To be honest, that concealer actually looks really, really good as foundation. So yeah, like I said, I was going to try to make this look good. Other plans were made by fate. I'm gonna go so that I can get this off my face. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If I at least give you a little bit of a laugh, give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video. And in the meantime, make sure to spread some positivity. Oh yeah, and be kind. Bye guys. Hey babe, tell me I'm pretty.